Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carmen. Welcome. Hey guys, in this video today, we're going to talk about the 3 signs that you are one of the chosen ones. One of the chosen 144,000 light workers that is on the planet at this time, helping Earth to ascend and to move into new Earth. Are you one of these people? Dolores Cannon talked about these people in her books. After doing numerous hypnotherapy sessions on thousands and thousands of people, she discovered that there was a special group of people who decided before they were born to come to planet Earth at this time because planet Earth was in desperate need of help and needed to raise its vibration. And this group of people chose to incarnate onto the planet at this time to help planet Earth ascend into this brand new cycle and golden age known as New Earth that will be a completely different planet than the Earth that we are used to seeing. And this transition will be happening over the next few hundred years. But this special group of people, their souls volunteered to come down onto the planet at this time to help with this ascension so that Earth could move into its golden age finally after all this time. And these 1,444 souls, Dolores Cannon named the Lightworkers, and they are the chosen ones on our planet at this time. And this is less than 1% of the world's population. Let me repeat that, less than 1%. So this really is a special group of people, a divinely chosen special group at this time on our planet. So are you a chosen one? We're going to talk about the 3 signs that indicate that you are a chosen one. And if you have these 3 signs, then that's a definite confirmation that you are. And if you want more information about this, check out another video I did about the chosen ones and the leaders of the new Earth. I will put links to both of those videos below in the description box. So let's talk about the first sign that you are one of the chosen ones. And that is a feeling as though you have never fit in. That's right. Do you feel as though you have never fit into this world that we live in? From the time they are children, chosen ones feel like they don't belong on the planet. They often did not fit in at school and around their peers and around other kids. They often did not fit in with their families as well. A lot of them felt like they were the black sheep of the family or the odd man out in the family. This is very common, but there is a very profound sense within them that they do not fit in into this world that we are a part of. And they often do not understand this world and why things happen in this world the way they happen. So there's often a deep sense of like they don't belong here. They really often feel like they don't even belong on the planet at all. That's very common. And they never really fit into this world. And one of the reasons they don't fit into this world is because they were not meant to be a part of this world. They were meant to be leaders of the new world and the new Earth. So as a chosen one and a leader of the new Earth, you were never meant to fit in, and you were never meant to belong. You were not meant to fit into this world because you were meant to be a leader of the new world. You were always going to have a feeling of disconnection and a feeling of that you were not in the right place. So that feeling within them, that feeling that you have as a chosen one, you're meant to have that because it's meant to show you that you were not born to be a part of this world. You were born to be a part of the new world, and you were born to lead the new world as one of its leaders. So that's going to be a huge sign that you are one of the chosen ones. It's that feeling, it's that knowing within you that you were not meant to be a part of this world. And that's because you were not meant to be a part of this world. And that feeling is your authenticity. And that leads us to the second sign that you are a chosen one. And that is that you are a highly sensitive person. You're highly sensitive to other people's energy, and you're highly sensitive to the energy of the environment around you. So what that means is that you absorb other energy very, very easily. So it can be difficult for you to be in crowded places around many people. It might even be difficult for you to be around just a few people. Chosen ones often like to spend a lot of time alone. And that's because when they're around other people, they absorb their energy very easily. And so they feel other people's emotions and feelings, even if they don't want to. And they often will absorb that like a sponge and start to mimic the way other people are thinking and feeling. So for many chosen ones, they like to spend time alone or with just one or two other people so that they can protect their energy. But they're also highly sensitive to their environments as well. And it can be difficult for them to watch events that are negative. And they will be highly affected by it for days, often thinking about it for days. And their feelings can get hurt very easily as well because they are such highly sensitive people. And they are tuned into the environment at a much greater intensity than your typical person. And so they will often try to be gentle and kind to other people because they know how much it hurts when people are not gentle and kind with them. And because they are so highly sensitive, they are often drawn to spiritual and esoteric concepts and knowledge, because spirituality and esoteric concepts help them to navigate their sensitivity, and it helps them to make sense of a world that they do not understand. A world that they do not understand because they don't belong in it and they don't fit into it. So it helps them to understand this world at a much deeper level. And as highly sensitive people, they need that guidance. So that leads us to number 3, the third sign that you are a chosen one. And that is a deep feeling within you that you know you were meant to do something big in this world. Often from the time they are little, chosen ones know that they are different. They know that they are different than their peers. They're different than their family members. They're the odd man out. They're the one that doesn't belong, right? So they have this feeling from the time they are young that they are different. And they also have the feeling that they were meant to do something different. And they often don't know what that is growing up. They know they were meant to do something big, but they often have no clue as to what that is, usually until they have their spiritual awakening. And chosen ones will go through a spiritual awakening in which they awaken to the truths, the hidden truths that have been hidden. They start to discover the truths about the universe. For some of them, all at once. For others, little by little, they discover these truths. And this helps to guide them often in the right direction as to what exactly their mission is and their specific purpose is, right? Because this feeling that they have within them that they're meant to do something big and different in the world, this is their mission, right? They all come down here with a specific mission that they were given before they were born, that they knew that they were going to carry out on the planet. And so this feeling that they have within them, this is actually their mission. And so the spiritual awakening that they have often helps them to figure out what that is. And it's going to be different for all of them. So if you have this sign, then that's a huge indication that you are a chosen one. And if you have all 3 of these signs, then you are definitely a chosen one. And that is your confirmation today. So anyways, I hope that this message resonated with you today. Let me know in the comments below if it did and what part of this message resonated with you the most. And if you liked this video, hit the like button and share it with other people, because it really helps to get this information out there when you do that. And we want to get this information out there to as many people as we can. And definitely check out the other videos that I've done about the chosen ones and leaders of the new earth. I will put links to those videos below in the description box. And I would love to have you subscribe and to become part of the family. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.